So, ladies and gentlemen, this truck bed is finally coming off. All these dents, all the scratches, this crappy paint, all this rust is finally gonna leave me. All these dents down here, see if I can get them really good in the light. Yep, you can see them. All of it is finally gonna be gone. This crappy tailgate. I'm sad about my sticker. We'll say that. I have to get another Hoosier sticker. But all of this crap is getting replaced. Because, and all of this through here as well. And not to mention the big dent back here, along with some stuff I made to make it work, is getting replaced, along with the hole. It's being covered up by the tonneau cover. Yep, all of that is going to be gone here in a couple hours because of that right there. That truck bed is in way better condition than this one. So I got to take the battery out, take the horns off, which probably mount on the underside of the new bed. Take the fuel cell out, all the parts. For those of you who don't know, I'm in the process of putting the 6.0 back in with Forge's internals and putting a Pro Charger on it and all that good stuff. So the motor's actually tore apart up in the garage. Ordered parts for that. Some of them have already arrived. Some of them aren't here yet. All that good stuff. Anyways, they'll all be here shortly. Be able to put the motor back in it, the new bed on it here soon. So, yeah, stay updated. So, with a couple tools, you can accomplish about anything. So that Swiss cheese truck bed is now off. Just drained all the fuel out of the fuel cell. It's sitting over there. That one's probably not going to go back in. It might go in temporarily, but it's not going to stay in. I've got all of the stuff off. As you can tell, the bed literally fell apart as I was taking it apart. I mean, this shit is just brittle. It's absolute garbage. Anyways, so yeah, the only thing I got left to do is take this bracket off for the fuel cell and get those horns off eventually. But yeah, you can tell where I'd fixed it a long time ago, back when I thought spray foam insulation was going to be the best way to fix it, and as you can hear, it's not. Yeah, I've got everything here for my battery and all that stuff, and I think I'm actually going to mount the battery like right in here and possibly cut a little access for it or something. Got to paint the back of the cab because, as you can tell, I never did that. And then clean this frame up, hopefully shoot some paint on it. Get a couple of these brackets that I made to stick underneath the old bed, because there was nothing, as you can tell, there was nothing supporting that bed. So I made a couple brackets because it was kind of sketchy to even walk in. So yeah, take that crap off. But yeah, got the bed off. Now it's time to put, let's see if the camera will focus. Time to put that one on there. Oh yeah, this will be fun. So leave you guys off in a better spot. Got the bed on there. It's just resting on the frame for right now. It's actually pretty solid on there. Anyways, got all the parts in it and everything that I need. I got some paint in here to paint the inside of the bed. All the parts from the motor swap and everything are sitting in it because I need them off the barn floor and everything for right now. This bed's actually in really good shape, like almost zero rust on it. I did paint the back of the cab. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Probably not at all because it's painted it black. So if it looks black, then that's good. I'm gonna make another short video here soon. This will probably end off this one, but this fuel cell is going bye-bye for sure. I'm getting a different fuel cell, and I'm gonna mount it right where this one's at, but underneath the bed on the underside, so I can actually use my truck bed as a truck bed. And then I'm gonna have this steel roll pan. I'm gonna cut it down because it's actually for a Dodge Dakota. I'm gonna cut it down, make it fit in here. But I got to change a couple things to make that fuel cell fit up in there the way I want it to. Nothing real big. I just gotta notch a couple things. The cross member that runs right here for the shackle, I gotta notch it, and then I gotta cut my exhaust for the passenger or the driver's side. Gotta notch it, and I'll be making another video on doing that and getting the fuel cell to actually fit there. And then I'm gonna be putting a tow package on it, like I said, because I'm putting that roll pan on there. And I'm gonna cut a hole in this roll pan somewhere in the middle, wherever that ends up being. I have a flip up license plate bracket, so I can so when you look at the back of it, you won't be able to see that it has a tow package on it, but you'll be able to walk up here and flip the license plate up and can pull a trailer now. So yeah, I figured I would give you a quick walk around of the bed, and a couple of the little minor things I do have to fix on this one, which is nowhere near as much work as the other one, is this spot right here. There's a dent right here. It'll pull out really easy. And then I gotta fix this bottom lip right here. And then there's a dent right here that I gotta fix. And that's basically it. So yeah, figured I'd leave you guys off there. We'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment. You guys know the deal.